Hello guys and girls, here is Hotmarks from HomeStudioStart.com, and today we're gonna talk about, oh yes, audio recording on Chromebook is possible! Let's go! A very common question is about using a Chromebook to recording audio in home studio. Is it really possible to produce music using only a Google Notebook? Let's try to figure it out on this video. The Chromebook is basically a notebook that uses an operating system called Chrome OS, which is nothing more than a bit more elaborate version of Linux. I quite like this Unix-like operating system because of its stability and safety. It was truly a great contribution to the world, the invention of the Unix. And I believe that Google hits the bullseye when they choose Linux as a base for Chrome OS, since Linux is considered almost a Unix system. For commercial and legal reasons, the relationship with Unix is valid, but the conceptual basis of both systems is very similar, and this is reflected in the system operation. There are many controversies about the origins of the Linux kernel and its difference compared to the Linux. After all this investment by the Chrome project, we have a brand new operation system that retains the best of its origins. Maybe we consider Chrome OS an Android system cousin, who is only based on the Linux kernel and it's not even considered a Unix-like system. The important thing is that Chrome OS has everything you need to make recordings in your home studio. Recording audio with a Chromebook. It's no longer possible to make audio recordings with Chromebook, and certainly this will evolve, and soon we will have software capable of recording multi-channel and even manipulate MIDI files to produce music arrangements. Different from other operation systems, the primary way to install software in Chromebook is through Chrome Store. Visiting that store, you can search for audio programs. We made a quick search for Chrome Store and found a small application called Audio Recorder. However, it's a fairly simple application. We also found a MIDI player application able to run MIDI files. Also the KeyDB to MIDI piano, which is quite interesting, which allows to record MIDI files via keyboard or mouse. But the solution, Soundtrap, make music online. The best current application for those who want to produce music using a Chromebook is called Soundtrap. With the music track recorder capables, MIDI editing, it is one of the most powerful online tools to produce music in the environment of clouds and even enables collaborative production where many people can participate in the music production process. Remember that all of these applications are compatible with the Chrome browser and that this technology are still in early stages of development. Imagining into the future, with the encouragement of the popularization of this kind of platform in the clouds, you can find applications that produce audio professionally and can effectively build your home studio based only on Chromebook or any other platform via web browser. For now, it's possible to have a totally based recording platform in a browser, independent of the operation system you are using, almost free. Do you like home studio? Subscribe to this channel, like this video and share on your social network. That way, this message of freedom will reach the greatest number of people. I see you at the next video. Bye!